Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be absolutely transforming this staircase. So this is in an older home, and as you can see, these stairs have been used a lot. They've been sanded down and restained. They had some water damage on them. They were definitely on their last legs, and so the customers have decided that they are going to be covering them with vinyl plank flooring. And so they called us in. We are Step Up Vinyl, and if you haven't heard of us before, we take vinyl plank flooring and we turn it into stair nosing so you can continue any vinyl plank flooring from above or below your stairs onto your stairs. Now, this particular staircase was an interesting one. You can see here we are fixing the bottom step. Vinyl can only go on square or 90-degree angles, not curves. So here we are using a pretty simple method here. We've tacked in these pieces to put the outline of what we would like the stair to look like, and we're just using cardboard to cut out a template. Then we'll use that to cut out the wood to be put into place. Please hit the subscribe button and check out our channel. We do have detailed instructional videos on just about anything you'd like to do with stairs, with vinyl installations, with anything that you'd be using vinyl products for. You can find them, including this particular process, on our channel. Also, if you'd like us to come out and transform your stairs, or even if you just need some nosings made with the vinyl that you have, please check out our website at stepupvinyl.ca. You can see lots of testimonials, pictures, and you'll be able to get and contact us from there. So you can see now we have the wood, and we are going to be securing it. So this particular customer is using a loose lay vinyl, which means it's not like those vinyls that have a rigid core or have any sort of strength or stability in them. These vinyls are very floppy, and therefore they need a perfectly level and smooth surface to be on. While most people will not, it's unlikely anybody will step on this. We do want it to be secure, but you will see that even the gap between the edge of the stair and the wood would not work. So we'll be needing to fill that as well. But we are still anchoring in some really long screws just in case anybody ever does step on it. And then we will get to the process of filling that up. So our vinyl stair nosings, as I mentioned, are made out of any vinyl plank. So we do lots with the rigid core vinyls, and we also do it with these loose lay vinyls. We are able to do open stairs, as you can see here, that are open on one side or both sides. And we sell the ones that are for the stairs that will have walls on both sides. So you can see here, as I mentioned before, we're now filling that hole. This is an adhesive wood filler. So not only is it going to fill that gap and give us a nice smooth surface, it's also going to add that extra adhesion between the new wood and the stair that already existed. We often get lots of comments on these videos about why somebody wouldn't just sand down, why not keep the wood flooring underneath. Every customer has their own reasons. In this particular case, they had sanded and stained these floors many, many times, and they were worried about how much was left in the process. Additionally, they were just looking for a more modern look, and that's something that vinyl can give you. The great thing about vinyl is that it is basically scratch resistant, it is waterproof, it is long lasting, and it does just have this really beautiful finish. And the only downside to the product historically has been that the difficulty doing stairs, as it didn't come with the caps, or the businesses that do make the caps, they're very specific ones that don't fit all jobs. So that's where we come in. So you can see here, this vinyl has been bent by us to be made into a nosing. This would be how we sell them. But in this particular job, the customer had us come in. So we've simply cut a 45-degree angle here, and then we are going to have another 45-degree angle that's going to come on and be the cap for the end. And you can see there just what a beautiful finish that gives us. And then you just use the same vinyl plank for the rest of the tread. So you're just going to cut it both lengthwise and widthwise to be able to fit in. As I mentioned before, this is a loose lay vinyl, so it doesn't click onto the next board that's next to it, but it would be the same process with a rigid core or a click vinyl flooring, just that you would click them into place, obviously. But in this case, they are just being laid down and secured that way. So you can see it now in place there. Beautiful. As I mentioned before, if you hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, you'll get lots of videos from us that show you exactly how to go about doing this installation, what products we use, and what products we recommend for all sorts of jobs. We'll see you in the next video.